I'm a plumber by trade. I repair, bend, cut and fit metal and plastic tubing. To cut plastic pipes like polypropylene or PVC, I always use the Multi Wheel. It's really versatile, it works equally well on plastics, wood and even plasterboard. If you have the diamond metal wheel and the Multi Wheel in your tool bag, you've pretty much got it covered. When you cut plastic with a normal disc, it can get so hot that it melts together. A total waste of time. But with this disc, that doesn't happen. The Multi Wheel is one single piece, which means it won't break. And it's damp-proof, unlike bonded discs. Obviously, damp and plumbing go hand in hand. Right now, I'm cutting PVC pipes for every bathroom in the place. I've been at it for 2 days now, and I must have made at least 50 cuts, and it's still good for plenty more. The X-Lock system makes my life much easier. Fitting and removing the disc is really quick and easy. If I'm using the diamond wheel and I want to switch to the Multi Wheel, it's done in a flash. I do this, and we're off. Why do I always have them in my kit? Because they last, they cut through anything, and they save time.